Hello everyone and welcome to Consumer Unit World TV. Today we're looking at the new range of IP65 consumer units from Fusebox. The IP65 Aluminium 6 Module Enclosure from Fusebox is the epitome of practicality and robust design, tailored for the demanding environments of commercial, industrial and domestic installations. Fusebox enclosures already stand out in the market for their blend of functionality and reliability, and the 6-module enclosure has been designed with precision to accommodate your electrical components securely and efficiently, providing peace of mind and superior performance in all settings. The IP65 rating ensures the boards are designed to protect the consumer unit's components, such as circuit breakers, fuses and wiring, from environmental factors such as dust and moisture. The IP rating, which stands for ingress protection, is a rating which indicates the level of protection the enclosure offers against these elements, allowing for safe external installations, or for garages, sheds and other outbuildings that are not weatherproof. The metal enclosures are available populated or unpopulated, with or without surge protection, and with a populated option loaded with bi-directional RCBOs, suitable for EV chargers or solar panel installations. And to top it off, they are available in either grey or white and allow plenty of room to work in. The new Fusebox IP65 range is due for release in September 2024 and is available for pre-order now at consumerunitworld.co.uk.